Hey everybody, welcome to the Elite Series Roundup. Yeah, keep watching as we go over the fully loaded Elite TV boxes. It's a box that I'm sure you're not going to want to miss. Okay guys, just a note. Hey, when we receive products, we either purchase them, we receive them for free, or we do a review and return the product. Now, with that being said, no matter how we get the products to review, the company we get them from has absolutely no say on the outcome of the review. If we like a product or we don't, it will be in the review, and we leave the rest up to our now informed viewers. Now, it is your responsibility to make good decisions on buying any product. Hey, let's get on with the video. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at how it comes. Bonus, baby. Hey, yeah, it comes with a big bag of stuff at no additional charge. It comes with the boxes chosen, of course, along with an 8K HDMI cable, a Wi-Fi range extender, a mini keyboard, a 64GB SD card, a 64GB thumb drive, and detailed instructions on a setup and troubleshooting if needed. This company has gone above and beyond, often at the same price or at a lower cost than many other suppliers out there. Okay, it does come boxed well. It's a nice heavy box, but let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's see what's in it, and we'll go on from there. And it is a aluminum type box. The antennas still that you can't pull off. It's all right. I'm not a big fan of the big logo on the top, but yeah, it has an vent holes. It feels good. It's not real light. Has a display in the front. All right, let's say gets a power cable. You get the HDMI cable, which is a standard one. And this is what's in the box. And a remote control. Oh, and you get a worthless user manual. Yeah, so it has the standard SD card, the USB 3.0, USB 2.0. It doesn't have a reset hole. I don't know why. You do have the Ethernet. You have the AV. You have optical sound, the HDMI, and the power. Yeah, it's not a bad unit. I mean, like I say, except for I don't particularly care for that. You do have an on and off button there. And but let's go ahead and take a look at the remote. Now on the back here, it has where you can pair it and make it learn to others. I'm still not a fan of these buttons all around here when they wrap buttons around other buttons. You just keep hitting the wrong dang thing. But it does feel good. It's okay. You do have your live TV down here and you know, these hotkeys that, you know, if you use them, great. Okay, let's get on with this. Okay, when you light this box off, it's going to go through this section here, which you want, if you're in the United States, definitely click that. You can click to the right. It'll take you to the right, of course. Display is 1080 by 60 megahertz. Now here we're going to go ahead and click on this to get to the biggest screen size without going over. And we're going to go there. That's fine. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go on Wi-Fi. So give me a second and I'll get that lit off. Okay, our CPC Tech 5G is connected. It comes loaded with a really nice UI here. It really, you know, you don't have a bunch of stuff on the screen and so forth. But it does come loaded up with Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and these are all, you know, paid services. So you have to, if you have an account with any of them, other than YouTube, of course, that's free. And then settings, Mirrorcast receiver, initial setup, and file manager. Let's go to settings real quick. Now this is their settings, so it's a quick, easy guide here for the most common things you're going to use, like updates and apps and about. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the system settings. This is the standard Android settings features. It has the Bluetooth where you want to do your headphones and so forth. Another Bluetooth remotes, what have you. You can go ahead and take care of your apps, give them permissions and so forth there. We'll go to device preferences for right now. And we're going to go ahead and look at the About section. And as you can see, you have a restart there, not to be confused with reset. Restart is just a reboot. Reset is a factory reset. So just food for thought. Now this is the Model Elite, and it's on version 10 of Android. Go back here. Let's go down to storage. This one does have the 128 gigabyte internal drive and a 4 gigabyte memory. We'll get more into that here in just a second. But here's that reset I was saying. If you hit that, you're gonna wipe it out. So you're gonna just take it back to factory new. All right. If you want to do location where you're at, you know, that's up to you. Not a big deal if you ask me. I don't use it much anyways because I use my VPN for that. Okay, so what we have here is you have launch settings, launcher settings. So you can add groups, your parent settings. You know, so if you need to block this out because your kids are getting into the wrong thing or your spouse is, whichever. Now add groups, you can do a startup app. So if you want it to come in and start automatically in YouTube, you just click on that. And whenever you start the box, it'll go right to YouTube. It's great if you have like a live TV or something like that. It goes right to that too. So, okay, software update. You go like this, you can go and check online update. This is the latest. Now we have is a memory cleanup, which I really like. Okay, now they have a contact us, and this is really nice to have because you can just scan it with your phone to contact them if you need any help. And they're really good about getting back with you. And this is what you have here. That's a lot, guys. Hey, before we go too much further, I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. It's my Surfshark. I've installed it. Now I just need to log in. Now you can use your phone because you're going to have that on your phone already. And use their QR code here to log yourself in. You just do that with your camera. Click on Open in Browser and click on Yes. And got it. That's how easy it is. And it's going to go ahead and load this up for you. And as you can see, it comes up with a list of countries and so forth. But if you want to click on that, it'll okay the connection. You'll only have to do this at the very beginning. So it's going to go ahead and connect to the fastest location near you. Now, before we go too much further, let's go ahead and go up to features. I like doing this and putting on clean web. This is going to help you with malware and viruses and so forth. So you need to do that. Now, I strongly recommend protecting yourself and getting a copy of a VPN or use our deep discounted link in description or use this QR code here that you can get yourself a copy for, just dirt cheap right now. And I suggest you do that. Protect yourself, guys, everybody out there. And it does it on all your devices. All right, let's keep going. Okay, guys, here we go. We got the bench scores here. It's a single core of 104 and a multi-core score of 328. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down. vSeebox Elite. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. If you guys need to slow it down, use your player that you're watching this on. And then your multi-score, crypto score, integer score, and floating point score. Let's go ahead and look inside the numbers on this now. Okay, here we go. It is a vSeebox Elite. It's a brand Google. Okay, you're looking at RAM of 4 gigabyte. That's telling you everything there. And internal storage, we have 110 gig of free storage. It is running the Bluetooth version of 4 Plus. Okay, and the CPU is an all-winner H313, H616 with a core architecture of 4 by ARM Cortex A53. Same old, same old. 64-bit ARM. Display, we're looking at the Mali G31. Normal. And here we are. We're running on the Quince Tart Android 10 version. API level 29. Yeah, guys, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and run through what it has available. But oh, hey, real quick, guys, when YouTube removed a number of our videos that I had to fight, and they put them all back, except for we noticed, and this took us a little time because I just figured it'd trickle in or it'd happen. They didn't put our subscribers, a lot of our subscribers, back on there. So just to be sure, check your subscription status. I don't want you losing out on all the giveaways that we have and such, which is, we do have one coming up shortly, on a fully loaded box. So please check your subscription. I don't know why it did this or why they did this, but that way you can make sure you are in the poll and so forth. Hey, and if you're not subscribed, good time to subscribe. So here you go, guys. I appreciate it. And I just want to make sure you're taken care of. Well, guys, here it is. And, that was a lot of stuff to go through. They have a lot of programming going on here that I think you're going to like. But remember, keep watching because we're going to have the best of the best coming. We're going to announce which elite box is the top, in our opinion, and by the numbers. Okay, guys, hey, I appreciate you being here, and until next time, hey, remember to check, see if you're subscribed. Just because, YouTube did their thing. And just to make sure that you are in the running for, the giveaways and so forth. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Watch one of these here. You'll like it.